Hey YouTubers, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Welcome back to another episode. Today is an exciting day. It is, we actually get to do a bike reveal. What's in this box. If you watched the previous episode before, it was literally a pain to get that box here, receive it, keep it dry during the monsoon that flowed through Houston. And then I had to wait for that monsoon to finish so that I can get this box out from under the plastic so that I can go ahead and do an official unveiling. Anyways, if you're new at the channel, this is a small bore channel community. It's anything under 450 cc's, scooters, motorcycles, big motorcycles with small motors, China bikes, Japan bikes, American bikes, anything is non-specific on what the small bore is. Generally they are street legal, but you know what? No holds barred, whatever is a small bore, I am interested in. Anyways, here's the box. And I'm telling you, this came at me like a missile. It was super fast. I didn't realize it was gonna happen. Thought it was gonna happen a different way, but hey, you know what? It's here. Let's go ahead and get some tools and go ahead and get this thing unboxed. All right, I waited a little bit to get it in the sun, but here it is. The Lycan, or the Lafon Lycan 250cc cruiser, based off of kind of a Honda Rebel or Virago with the twin V motor. It's got your big old cruiser pedals with the rear brake, obviously dual exhaust because it's V-twin, passenger pegs, big old rear disc and big tires. All these are LED. Right here, I haven't taken all the plastic off yet, sorry. There's your chain and suspension, very shiny. Transmission cover, here's your shifter. Way up here, haven't taken all the plastic off of that yet, but if you look at all these welds are very nice. I'm very confident in the way this was put together. Here's your big honking tank. It's in black, this whole thing is black, with your thousands of warning stickers. Big old seat with a big old passenger seat in the back. I wonder if you could bobber this. Anyways, your tank, your gauge cluster, which I guess your speedometer is digital and your tach is analog, which is kind of cool. I like that, kind of a cross between both worlds, with LED front turn signals and a headlight, which has a surrounding light. I don't know if those light up. But there's a projection bulb in the center. Then you got your 1990 front tire with a huge caliper up front. And there's your caliper. Then you got this is your spare key right here. And then here's your regular key. It's right here. Watch this. Ready? There's your regular key. Now, this is just like my Volkswagen key, except for that there's no function buttons. I thought there would be like an alarm or something, but there's not. And then your controls, skid plate. There's a lot of stuff going on over here. I can see my starter way inside of there. A lot of the chrome stuff has this like weird grease over it that's protectant from whenever it's being shipped. Stuff doesn't corrode or anything like that or get any weird. You gotta clean all that stuff off every time you buy a bike that came out of a box. I'm sure whenever you buy boxes for Japan bikes, they're also like this. They gotta clean it off because that's, I guess, the best way to protect it. But here we go. The Lafon Lycan 250cc based off of a Virago / Honda Rebel. I went ahead and called my brother and we're gonna do a second video. That second video is gonna be where we're putting all of this stuff together. Man, that sun's bright. We're gonna be putting all this stuff together, taking it out of the box because my arm, I can't really hold it. This sucker is way heavier than the KPR 200. And then we'll get it together and kind of do a walk around, see what it looks like. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sorry it took so long to get to this point, but you know, that's just the way everything kind of rolled out. If you have any questions about this bike, go ahead and leave it below. I can answer with the best of my ability. If I don't know, I can always ask Lafon if they can give me any specs if you guys have any questions about that. But anyways, thank you for being patient. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I know I always say that. I don't have to remind you. And I will see you in the next video.